Good day viewers. In my previous video, I had spoken about the importance of Pancha Vayu. In today's episode, we are going to demonstrate how to regulate the Pancha Vayu using breathing technique as well as the asanas. Before we get started with the demo, let me tell you a very short story. Once Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati were having a chat. That's when Narada Muni paid a visit to Kailash Mount. Narada Muni was always known for his gossips. She used to create some small fights and then fight will end up in peace. So she was wondering what he had up his sleeve today. So Narada Muni offered a fruit to Shiva and he said this fruit needs to be, it's a very precious one and it has to be had by one person. So immediately Lord Ganesha and Muruga wanted that fruit for themselves. Then since Narada Muni has clearly stated that it cannot be split, it has to be had by one person, Parvati thought of an idea where she said if whoever goes around the world thrice will get that fruit. Without second thought, Lord Muruga set out on his vehicle, which was a peacock, so he went out. Then Ganesha's vehicle, as you all know, it was a mouse and it's going to take years for him to go around the world. So he was known for his intelligence. Immediately he said that my parents are my world. If I go around them thrice, it's as good as going around the world. And he completed that and he took the fruit. So what connection it has with Pancha Vayu? So it's similar. You do this, work on these 5 asanas, you'll have the benefit of doing hundreds of asanas. There was only one winner, Ganesha. But here, those who want to do hundreds of asanas, they are most welcome to do. And people who do not have time or do not have the flexibility, or especially senior citizens, this will be a boon. I've been asked by CMR University to address all the students and staffs on this 9th International Yoga Day. So I'm thinking of doing this demo out at CMR campus. Rather than me doing it or my students doing it, I will try and make use of the CMR students and staff to demonstrate the Panchavayus techniques. Over to CMR University.
Good morning all. I'm Saktiya. Today I'm going to be the host. Happy International Yoga Day, first of all. So I would like to thank the CMR group for giving me this opportunity for my students. It's called Vajrasana. She's sitting in Shikasana. So whichever you're comfortable with, you can work. You sit like that. Okay. First, before we start, just say Om Shri Guruve Namah. Om Shri Guruve Namah. Okay. Then we get started. Dauti is the one, okay, it's a very underrated painting technique not followed by many gurus. It's the most efficient one. Okay, we are going to do 2 steps, 2 rounds of that. Okay. So first, let them demonstrate, watch, and then we do properly. Breathing, nicely inhale, breathing. Bend and then blow, exhale. After complete exhalation, then bow your head. It's a very simple step. So inhale nicely, bend forward, stop there, exhale completely, and then bow your head. How much you can possible. Breathing nicely, breathing. Bend forward, exhale. After complete exhalation, bow your head. Last count, just breathing as you come up, bend forward, exhale. Thank you. Next, we are going to go for Samana Vayu. Okay. In this, we are going to do Kapalabhati. It's called Kapalabhati, popularly known as Kapalabhati. As we breathe in, exhale. So, exhale is active, inhale is passive. So, you need to concentrate about your exhale only. As you exhale, just push your stomach inside. Just 1 minute, can you demonstrate Kapalabhati? So, with hands, somebody is already practicing, don't need hand support. As you exhale, just keep your eyes closed. As you exhale, just push your stomach inside. So remember, exhale is active, inhale is passive. Forget about the inhale. As you exhale, inhale will happen on its own. Good. Yeah. So this is the second technique which we want to do. Already, basically, a lot of people are being an expert here. Let's get started. Let's go for second technique called Kapalabhati. Let's get started. Okay. Here we go. Keep your eyes closed, concentrate, and just I want to know how many counts you are doing. Okay, just keep counting. It need not be fast, it can be slow, but make sure every count makes a difference. The mudra can be as simple as this. Okay, we can do this lotus mudra called Jnana mudra. So here, make sure there is no gap between your fingers. Keep it tight together. Let's go for it. Yeah, get started. Keep your eyes closed. Concentrate on your exhale. Third technique we are going to do is Agni Shara Kriya. It's a Kriya means it's a cleansing process. As I told you, the Prana Vayu is responsible for all the cleansing process. Sweat, motions, all this will be taken care of. Wonderful. A lot of people are getting it correctly. Intermediate can do 20 plus counts. Advanced can do 30 plus counts or 40 plus counts you can do. So instead of more the number of counts, see the counting technique is to keep your left brain busy. But try to empty that entire thing. See, you all would have a lot of science students do that. How the gas diffusion happens. Right? When higher concentration to lower concentration, the gas will go. Right? So what happens? We are trying to create emptiness. That is the region of the Panchavayus level below. So what we are trying to do, forcefully we are emptying that area. When we empty that area, once we stop that, what happens? Gas diffusion happens. From higher concentration to lower concentration it will move. That's how we are working on the Panchavayus. Understood? Okay. Let's go for second round. Breathing, exhale. You can also do like standing like this. Keep the count going. That will keep your left brain busy. Thank you all. So we are done with the third technique. Right? Fourth one, that Prana Vayu I am going to do along with Surya Namaskar. So we are going to do Surya Namaskar. So in Surya Namaskar, I am going to cover the Prana Vayu. That is the one which gives you a lot of energy. With open handed, we are going to do just 3 rounds of Surya Namaskar. So can you get the stand close? Breathing with open handed, you do. It's 4 for Prana Vayu. 1, hands open handed. Open handed. 2, exhale. Just concentrate on breathing here. No stretch, no real stretch. 3, right leg back. Look up, breathe in nicely. Inhale nice, more than stretch. 4, breathe out. Only concentrate on breathing. 5, in and out. 6, drop your chest between your hands. 7, breathe in. Inhale nicely. 8, breathe out. 9, in and out. 10, right leg forward. 11, exhale. 12, with open hand, just begin. Now next we are going to do in half a cup, just for down by. Okay. From here you just chant it with your lips closed. Okay. And keep your eyes closed. We are going to be louder, longer. First let's hear the mouth and then we can try. Get ready, keep your eyes closed, chant loudly, louder, longer, and rhythmatic. Let's get started. Breathing. Cover your eyes with your palms. Watch the darkness in your palms and then slowly open up. In Bhujanga, we are working on Prana Vayu, the first one. So you are opening up the chest and you are able to take more breath. Stay there, 20 counts, normal breathing, don't hold. Now we are going to go for Samana. So, knuckles, one knuckles. Okay, empty the breath on your belly point and you want to keep your hands down. Okay. Exhale and then bend forward. After bending forward, start breathing normal. Okay, very important. Now the counts will start. Normal breathing. Never hold your breath while doing asanas. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly come up. Third one we are going for Prana Vayu. So, lie down and do Pancha. Head to side. Lie down in Shavasana. Then you can. It's a simple one, so I'm trying to keep it simple. Just with the help of your hand, just over your neck. I must that much. Yeah. Let's go from there. Let's start from that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. With open handed, you do it's both or beyond horizontal. 1, hands open handed. Open handed. 2, exhale. Just concentrate on breathing here. No stretch, no real stretch. 3, right leg back. Look up, breathe in nicely. Inhale nice, over that stretch. 4, breathe out. Only concentrate on breathing. 5, in and out. 6, drop your chest between your hands. 7, breathe in. Inhale nicely. 8, breathe out. 9, in and out. 10. Right leg forward. 11. Exhale. 12. Overhead. 15. It's not trying to make it too complicated. Just watch one. Beginner, you have to take your hands around.
So we are giving options. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Try and take your head inside, exhale, and then get into normal breathing. Normal breathing, head down, counts, 20 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Relax. Thank you so much for your taking so much interest taking so much interest on yoga, really encouraging us. Thank you so much, man.
Yogaguru Saktiya.
I really appreciate the support shown by the viewers. If you like these videos, please share and comment, and this will encourage me to do more videos. Thanks for watching.